Born in Cork, Ireland, in 1880, Francis Browne would unknowingly become part of Titanic history. April 10, 1912. Father Francis Browne boarded the RMS Titanic at Southampton. He carried his camera. He captured remarkable photographs of Titanic and its passengers, preserving moments that would soon become part of history. A wealthy couple offered to pay for him to continue the voyage, but his superior replied with just 2 words: "Get off." He obeyed and left the ship on April 11. Just 4 days later, Titanic sank. He obeyed, left the Titanic at Queenstown, and survived. His photographs became some of the ship's last priceless memories. Decades after these photographs were taken, a remarkable collection of Father Francis Browne's negatives was brought back into the spotlight.
Go back in time, setting